Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu 22.0. We have different methods. One is by using sudo apt get install VirtualBox. The other way is by downloading the dep package. So I am going to show you how to download VirtualBox dep package and install it. Okay. First verify whether VirtualBox is there or not. Click on show applications, search for VirtualBox. See, we don't have any application. Now open terminal. Open Firefox, go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org, and hit enter. Click on downloads, click on Linux distributions. See, based on your Ubuntu version you have to download. Mine is Ubuntu 22. Let us verify. -release. See, I am on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. So based on that, you have to click on the respective Linux Ubuntu version. Click on Ubuntu 22.04. See, once we click done, it started the download. Its size is 88.6 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. If you are on Ubuntu 20.04, you have to click on this one. Okay. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See here we have the .dep package. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now install this dep package. Sudo dpkg-9, then provide the dep package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. See, it is throwing some error. See, we got the error, but try to verify whether it is installed or not. See, it is installed. Click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Minimize this one. See, we are unable to open it. Okay, so installation is not success. See, these are not installed. So install VirtualBox by using sudo apt get install VirtualBox. See, it is also throwing the same error. So first we have to run this command. Copy it, paste it and hit enter. So use the sudo and type y and hit enter. It has successfully installed. Now go to show applications. Click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. See, check the version. Click on help. Click on about VirtualBox. See, we have installed VirtualBox 7.0. To create new VirtualBox, we have to click on new or machine and select new. Then we have to provide the name. Then we have to provide the path for virtual machine folders. Then we have to select the ISO image. Okay, like this. So in this video we have seen how to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu 22.04. The process is same for all Ubuntu versions. Okay. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.